Let's work these word problems. Number 1. The price of apples at a local grocery store was $1.89 per pound. What will be the cost of a bag of apples that weighs 2.25 pounds? So what are we after? What's our wanted? What will be the cost? And how do we measure cost? It's the amount of money, the dollars that we have to spend. What's our data? So we're looking for our numbers. We got $1.89 per pound, and we got 2.25 pounds. So that $1.89 per pound, that per means divided by. We can also write this as an equivalency, that $1.89 is equal to 1 pound. And then we've got the 2.25 pounds. There's nothing that's equivalent to in the problem, so that's going to be our given, or our starting point in doing this calculation. So 2.25 pounds. Now we want to use our conversion factor, set it up so that we can cancel out pounds. And so $1.89 is the same as 1 pound. Pounds we cancel. That will leave us with dollars. 2.25 times 1.89 gives me, on my calculator, 4.2525. So we got the right units, dollars. We need the right sig figs, and so we can only go out to the hundredths place, the 3 sig figs here. So 4.25, $4.25. And it's plus or minus a ballpark. It's not 4 cents, it's not $40. And so we're pretty sure that we've set it up the correct way. So check your answer for sig figs, units, if it makes sense. The next one, a car is traveling 45 kilometers per hour. How many minutes will it take to travel 112 kilometers? So I wanted, how many minutes? Our data, we got 45 kilometers per hour. We got 112 kilometers. So 45 kilometers equals 1 hour. We got 112 kilometers. But we need to stop and think for a moment. Our units of time, we've got minutes is what we're after, it's what's wanted, but we got hours. So we're going to need another conversion factor, that 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. So there's an equivalency. There's an equivalency that we use in our solving the problem. There's a standalone number that we're going to call our given, or our starting point. So 112 kilometers. We want kilometers in the denominator so that they cancel. So 1 hour is the same as 45 kilometers. Kilometers divided by kilometers cancels. Now we want to set up our next conversion factor so that we can cancel out hours. And so 60 minutes is the same as an hour, and that's actually a definition. So hours divided by hours cancels. So 112 divided by 45 times 60 is 149.33 minutes. We got the right units, minutes. We got an answer that sort of makes sense, 144 minutes. We're going to travel 45 kilometers per hour. Doing 112 kilometers, I'll be something over 2 hours, more than 120 minutes, so that's right. And so sig fig wise, my 45 kilometers is only 2 sig figs, so I'm going to need to round this answer to 140 minutes so that I can report the correct number of significant figures. Another way of writing it would be 1.4 times 10 to the second minutes.